Hi folks, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. Just want to show you how the bathroom's coming along. We've been posting last few weeks or days. All the tile is in place on the walls, and you can see now that we're putting the grout on. Let me just show you over here how we're applying the grout. We basically mix the grout with an additive that gives it some flexibility, and then apply it with a trowel. So you can see how Santiago is putting this into the tile. Now once he finishes troweling it in, the next thing he's going to do is to start to clean it up and take all the excess off. And when he finishes doing that, you're going to see a product that looks like it does over here on this side where all the grout is in place. So we will keep you posted. Thanks for listening.